Welcome back to the channel. Operating chemical tankers requires a heightened level of safety and technical expertise due to the diverse and often hazardous nature of the cargoes carried. The international regulatory framework governing these ships is the International Code for the Construction and Equipment of Ships Carrying Dangerous Chemicals in Bulk, commonly known as the IBC Code. This code is mandatory under both the SOLAS Convention for Safety and the MARPOL Convention for Pollution Prevention, making it the bedrock of chemical tanker safety. The IBC Code's core function is to minimize risks related to carriage of dangerous liquid chemicals in bulk. It does this by classifying chemicals based on their hazards and then specifying the appropriate ship design and operational requirements for each. The code categorizes chemicals based on risks like flammability, toxicity, corrosiveness, and reactivity. A central concept in the IBC Code is the assignment of ship types. The code mandates 3 types of chemical tankers, each designed to withstand different levels of damage and provide different levels of cargo containment. Type 1 chemical tankers are required for the most hazardous products. They offer the maximum level of protection against accidental pollution and cargo release, often employing a double hull structure with segregated spaces. Type 2 chemical tankers are for moderately hazardous products and require a significant level of protection. Type 3 chemical tankers are used for products presenting a lesser environmental or safety hazard and require a moderate level of protection. The IBC Code dictates that every chemical intended for bulk carriage must be listed in a comprehensive Chapter 17 table, which specifies the minimum required ship type, the required tank environment control, such as the need for an inert gas blanket, and necessary ventilation systems. For example, highly toxic cargoes often require Type 1 ships and a fully inerted tank atmosphere to prevent explosion or the release of toxic vapors. Another crucial element is cargo containment and materials of construction. The code specifies that the material used for the cargo tanks and piping must be chemically resistant to the specific cargo being carried to prevent corrosion and dangerous reactions. Stainless steel, zinc coatings, and specialized tank linings are common. Operational safety is heavily emphasized, particularly during cargo handling and tank cleaning. Chemical tankers must have sophisticated ventilation systems to prevent the accumulation of flammable or toxic vapors on deck and in enclosed spaces. Strict procedures for entry into enclosed spaces are mandatory, requiring gas testing and permits to ensure crew safety. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.